Hello, Orlando. Today I am going to talk about organizing in management. Organizing in management is a fundamental concept that involves arranging resources and tasks to achieve organizational goals efficiently. This process involves the structuring of people, material, and process in a coordinated manner. Effective organizing ensures a clear hierarchy, clarifying of responsibilities, and optimum utilization of resources. Central to organizing is a establishment of a formal structure, often depicted through organizational charts. This delineates the chain of command, clarifying reporting relationship and forecasting a sense of order. Departments are formed based on a functions, products, or geography, enhancing specializations and efficiency. Division of labor is a key aspect of organizing, enabling individuals to focus on specific tasks according to their experts. This specialization promotes skill development and accelerate productivity. Coordination mechanisms such as a communication channel and workflow processes. These are established to ensure seamless interactions between different departments and levels within the organization. Moreover, organizing involves creating job positions and defining job roles. Job descriptions outlines responsibilities, qualifications, and expectations, aiding employee recruitment, selection, and performance evaluation. This clarity contributes to employee satisfaction and organizational effectiveness. Another point is technological advancement. Technological advancement have influenced organizing, with digital tools facilitating streamlining communications and collaborations. Virtual teams and remote work arrangements have become integral parts of modern organizational structures, requiring adaptive approaches to the organization for optimal performance. Organizing in management is a multi-phased concept essential for achieving organizational objectives. Through the establishment of a clear structure, division of labor, and effective coordination mechanism, organizations can enhance efficiency, productivity, and overall success. Thank you.